You have one reminder for today at 2 p.m. Make a video about Google Home Mini.
What's up everyone, welcome back to Tech Improvement. I finally got a smart speaker, the Google Home Mini, and for the first time in a long time I've been so excited to get this device and try it out. It's like a little pet I got. I'm going to teach you some new tricks and hopefully we're going to have a lot of fun. So I've been using this for 1 week and I wanted to give you a quick overview about how I'm using it and why I got it. So first of all, I'm living in a studio apartment which is about 30 square meters big, and that's why I got this small speaker, because I think it's enough for me to try it out and use it as an entry-level device. And then again, I can't really blast my speakers up that loud because I'm living with neighbors, and that's why this device is perfect for me. I'm having it placed on top of my bed on a shelf, so above my head, about half a meter above my head, and I'm using it a lot in the morning and at night, mostly to get weather information, reminders, timers, headspace for meditation, listen to my Spotify playlist in the morning, and then anything else I want to do. So I taught it to play my Spotify playlist called Morning Vibes by saying, "Yo, Pierre! Play Morning Vibes."
Sure, your Spotify playlist called Morning Vibes. Here you go.
Another reason I got this device is to use Headspace, because I usually meditate at night using the Headspace app, and I would just put my phone next to me and let it play on my phone speakers. Now, Google Home Mini and also Alexa have a built-in app that has been released that allows you to use Headspace on those smart speakers. All you gotta say is, "Yo, Pierre!" Talk to Headspace.
Sure, let's get Headspace.
Welcome back to Headspace. You can meditate or get some help falling asleep. Which would you like?
Meditate.
It looks like you've been doing the appreciation course. You can continue that course or listen to today's meditation. What would you like to do?
Listen to today's meditation.
Okay, here is today's 10-minute meditation. Today's meditation.
The mind is entertained by the illusion.
I'm not actually doing this when I'm meditating.
Yo, Pierre!
Stop. Another cool thing is that you can set up a morning routine by saying,
Yo, Pierre!
"Good morning."
Hi, Freddy. The time is 2:14 p.m. Currently in Munich it's 19 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today it'll be partly cloudy with a forecast high of 20 and a low of 12. By the way, you need to make a video about Google Home Mini. Have a great day.
You can also play your favorite podcast or news of a news site like the New York Times or Engadget. That's what I'm using. But it's just nice to get an overview of your day. And that reminds me of one issue I faced. So if you're using an iPhone, you're a bit limited here in terms of finding your phone by calling it or making calls from the Google Home Mini. But these limitations haven't really been that hard for me, apart from using the calendar. Now, if I set up my calendar on Apple Calendar, I can transfer that to Google Calendar, or at least I can sync it. I could transfer it one time and then would have to use Google Calendar. That's on Apple's side. They're not allowing sync to Google Calendars, but that sucks. Another issue I found is that you have to speak quite loud to make it understand you when you're far away. So if I'm sitting here and my Google Home Mini is 3 or 4 meters away in that direction, then it gets troublesome. You have to speak up, of course. And if you have multiple rooms or a very big room, I would suggest you getting 2 or just getting closer or speaking up. That's something you have to keep in mind. Another weird issue I found was that it's not playing the song it's supposed to be playing, even though it understands what I say. Here's an example.
Yo, Pierre!
Play God's Plan by Drake.
God's Plan by Drake, sure. Playing on Spotify.
So it did understand what I was saying, but it's playing a different version. It's playing a acoustic version of God's Plan, even though the first result should be the original God's Plan, and that's what I meant. Anyways, as you've just seen, there's 2 hidden buttons on this. You can press right or left to turn up or turn down volume, and then if you long press on either side, you stop whatever's playing. To round it up, the sound is alright. It's much better than I expected. I'm using it to listen to music in the morning. I don't really have the need for a very loud speaker. And as I said, it's better than I expected. I might get the original Google Home, not the mini version, to see if that is even better, but I can recommend this device to anyone who wants to get into smart speakers. I did get this Google Home Mini instead of an Alexa Echo for several reasons. I think Google has a way better ecosystem when it comes to calendars, mails, Google search. I heard that Alexa is actually using Bing for search, and it's just good to know that there's a real core tech company behind this working on this, and that's why I decided to go with the Google Home Mini. Also, I'm using Spotify, and you know Amazon has their own service, Amazon Prime Music or Music Unlimited, and Spotify works on that, but they would rather have Amazon playing, and I think there's going to be some issues, and that's why I decided to go with that one. I've seen a lot of really big tech YouTubers go with the Google Home Mini, like MKBHD, Alex Costa, which is not really a tech YouTuber, but these are the reasons I got the Google Home Mini. Also, it looks much better in my apartment design wise, and I'm very happy with my purchase right now. You can get another color as in charcoal or coral. I got chalk, that's the one you're seeing right here, and that's been pretty much it for this video. So overall, it's a great entry-level smart speaker. I can really recommend it to anyone. I'm looking forward to find new small hidden features in there, and I'll keep you updated, maybe do another video. I'll see you all on the next one.